Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with the Microsoft Edge web browser where you are attempting to access the menu settings or access different components of the Edge browser, and you're having transparent menus and dialog boxes appearing sporadically on the page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you don't already have it open already, open up the Edge browser, select the setting icon at the top right, and you want to go and select where it says Settings near the bottom. On the left side, select Appearance, and you want to select perhaps a different theme color, as that could be one reason why it's not showing properly. If your theme is too close to the dialog window color, so you may want to change it back to default if you've selected a custom theme in here. You may also want to consider turning off the hardware acceleration option in the Edge browser. So in order to do that, on the left side, you want to go ahead and just search for hardware acceleration. Where it says use hardware acceleration when available on the right, go ahead and toggle that to the off position and then restart the browser. And then hopefully that should have resolved the problem. If you are still having an issue, you can attempt to reset the Microsoft Edge settings. So in order to do that, open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel here. And then on the right side underneath apps, you want to select installed apps. And then in the apps field, go ahead and search for Edge. Select the three-dotted icon immediately next to Microsoft Edge in here and select Modify. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. Repair Microsoft Edge. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. Select Repair. And then Edge should relaunch here. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.